Just simply come onto this website, add a tweet over here, then come over onto this secret website or follow me along, and I will show you exactly how you can make hundreds of dollars every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get paid $462 today on this free website. Guys, this is gonna be a complete tutorial and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. But guys, before we move any further, a small disclaimer that the following video is gonna be in a step-by-step manner, so make sure not to skip any step in this video and watch this video until the very end. So without wasting any more time, we are gonna jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come out of this website called traffup.net. Now guys, traffup.net is gonna be the main website that is gonna help us actually make the most money, because this website is gonna be acting like a multiplier for all of our earnings. Now, what is a traffup basically about? So you can get free traffic to your website or blog in just 1 minute, and traffup is the #1 tool for generating more traffic on your website from all around the world. So how does it work? Number 1, you simply add your website, you sign up, you add your website for absolutely free, and you get 0 bonus points from the start. After that, simply all you have to do is simply follow other people, like different things, retweet different things, and then you simply start to earn points. Now guys, what you're going to be doing over here is essentially linking your Twitter account or basically your Facebook account, Instagram account, YouTube, Pinterest, basically whatever account you want to boost, and you can simply like automate all the different features of that particular platform. So like for Twitter, if you were to come over here, we can simply like connect our Twitter account, and then secondly, we can simply like follow other people. Like over here we have hundreds and hundreds of different people. We can simply follow those people, retweet their retweets, and then we will get points. Now once we'll get points, we can simply use those points to get those very people to retweet our pictures, our posts, and our basically different things. So like that is how it works. It's basically like a give and take method, but you obviously get more than you give. So guys, that is basically how this website is gonna be very important in our whole procedure. So guys, this was step number 1. Now what I want you to do is simply click on sign up, and then sign up on this website quickly, and after that I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So once you have signed up, they will basically ask you to add your Twitter profile. Now to add your Twitter profile, simply come on to Twitter, and then after that simply copy your URL. So from over here, click on your Twitter profile, click on your profile itself, and then simply copy your username. Come over here, paste your username, and then simply click on proceed. Now once you do that, that is gonna basically connect with your particular account. Click on add account, and then after that over here you will be asked to select your interests and stuff. So I'm gonna simply select all my interests, and after that simply leave these things. Click now on my tweets. Now when you go on to my tweets, what I want you to do now is simply move on to the next website, which is called clickbank.com. Now guys, once you come on to clickbank.com, from over here click on the top right corner where it says sign up. Now quickly, Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketplace. Over here you can basically grab affiliate products for yourself and then simply use them to make money. So sign up by filling out all of these things, and then simply accept their terms and conditions, and then simply join Clickbank. So guys, once you do that, I will catch you guys in just a second. So once you have signed up successfully, now what I want you to do is simply click on at the top right corner on marketplace. Now once you click on marketplace, after that you will see a list of categories. From over here you can simply choose the category that you want to promote. So for example, right now what I want you to do is simply pick a product that you honestly think is valuable. So right now I'm gonna click on video marketing. Now once you type in this, wait for a couple of seconds and you will see a lot of products come up. Now over here this product has the most commission, so I'm gonna choose this product. Now what I want you to do is click on promote, and then simply click on generate hop links. Once you do that, copy this link, and then simply come back on traffup, and then simply from over here click on a new tweet. Now over here what I want you to do is that I want you to write up a paragraph which is very similar to what your product is about. Now this is basically the easy way. What you can simply do now is that you can simply type in, if you want the best video marketing software, then simply click on the link below, and like this will basically like automate the whole process, and you can just simply like then relax. But if you want the best results, what you can do is that, like, honestly this method is not talked about a lot, is that you can come onto a website called OmniLink. Now when you come on to OmniLink, this website is literally gonna let you design your own web pages for absolutely free. Sign up by clicking on the sign up button, fill out the things that they ask you, and then after that I will catch you guys in just a second. So once you have logged in successfully on OmniLink, what I want you to do now is simply like change these things. So from over here, simply type in best video marketing software, and then over here what you can do is that you can simply add in a text format. So like for example, from over here I'm gonna take a look at the left side, and then I am going to add in a text tile. Now guys, it is very easy to like basically add in different things. So I'm gonna like basically like in the description I will put in some description about a video marketing software. So I'm gonna type in what is a video marketing strategy. Now once I type in this, I'm simply gonna copy the first couple of lines that come onto Google. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna paste that over here, and then after that over here in check my Instagram, I'm gonna simply change this to basically check my Twitter out. So I'm gonna type in over here simply Twitter, and then after that below that over here I'm going to paste my affiliate link. So my affiliate link was this for ClickBank. So I'm gonna come back over here, basically paste it over here, and then after that I am going to simply like publish this. And now what I want you to do is simply click on save at the top right corner. Now once you do that, now you have yourself a page, and you can simply copy the link of this page, come on to a new tab, paste it over here, and then people will be able to view this page like this. And then when they'll click on basically get your business started, they are going to be redirected over to your basically ClickBank product. And what that is going to do is that is going to make it really professional, and people are literally going to trust your product. So coming back to Twitter, what I want you to do now is simply paste your Omni link over here, and then after that simply click on tweet. Once you click on tweet, I want you to like click on these three buttons, and then I want you to like simply copy the link of this tweet. If you can't see the copy link over here, click on over here and copy link address. Come back to TraffUp and now click on add tweet. From over here, simply paste the URL of your tweet, and then simply from over here select a category. I'm gonna choose media or entertainment, and then click on submit details. So guys, like right now they are saying that they are unable to process the IDs. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna click on this tweet, and now I want to just basically copy this. And when I copy this, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna click on this once again to see if it works, and now this is working. So what you can do now is that you can simply click on buy points, and then from over here you can buy points manually, or you can like simply retweet and like do those things from over here on this website, and then basically retweet different people and earn points. Guys, by retweeting one person you will get 50 points, and for 50 points you can actually get a lot of retweets. So like there are so many people over here that you are honestly not gonna run out of any tweets, and you can constantly make a lot of money. So guys, this was basically the whole video, and this wraps up our method. I hope you guys understood everything. If you guys have any questions for me, just let me know and I will be sure to answer them all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.